Hey guys, what up? What's up? It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans. Are you keeping up? I'm rolling, honey. I'm rolling. Are you keeping up? I got a classic for you. They're not going anywhere. This is the legacy. This is the history of line dancing. These classics, okay? It's called soul stepping, okay? Very easy, guys. Instructors teach your class this line dance. It's a classic. Soul stepping. If you are someone you know that's interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Are you ready? You gotta go put on your shoes. You know when you click on this video, you gotta have your shoes on, honey, because I'm ready to move. So stand on this side of the room right here, looking in this direction, okay? So this is a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise, okay? So we're going to do this dance at all four walls when we start back at the top. So we're gonna start with step back, rock, recover, right, left, right, rock, left, right, left, back, right, okay? So the dance starts with rocking back on the right. 5, 6, 7, and step back. Right, step up. Left, step back. Triple step. Right, left, right. Okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simple enough, right? So now we're going to do a pivot, a step pivot turn, a full turn, triple step, step back, okay? So we went up on that right, step, left, pivot, half to your right, and keep going, full turn, left, rock, right, left, okay? Again, I went right, pivot, left, right, full turn, left, back, right, left, okay? So let's add that, okay? Start with a simple cha-cha, but we're gonna do a rock recover. Starting, rocking back, rock, recover. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover. Right, rock, recover. Left, rock, recover. Triple step, left, pivot, half, full, left, right, left. Okay? Now, we're going to do a triple step again. Right. Baby, a lot of triples, okay? So, when we make that full turn, left, right, left. Back to our original wall, rock, recover. And, instructors, you have somebody that want to make the full turn, all they got to do is do a triple step in place, which is right, left, left, left. That's the step, okay? You don't have to turn, just do the footwork in place. Let's go back to the top, and then we're going to add on. Starting with a rock, recover, rocking back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, right, rock, recover, left, rock, recover, right, left, left, rock, recover, right. Okay, now we're going to do a rock recover all around the room. No triple step. Let me show you how it looks. Left, right, left, left, right, left, right, triple step. Okay? That's what we're going to do. Okay? So we're rock and recover. Rock, recover, quarter turn. Rock, recover, quarter turn back. Rock, recover, quarter turn back. Rock, recover, quarter turn back. Then rock, recover, triple step. So notice when I did the rock, recover, I didn't do a triple step, okay? All do a quarter turn back. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, back, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Triple step. Left, right, left, then triple step. Okay? Alright, so let's put it all together. From the top. So let me give you a review. We start with a rock recover. Rock recover, you do a cha-cha up, a rock recover up, cha-cha back. Simple enough to stand in place. Rock recover, then we triple step and then turn, full turn, left, right, left. We rock recover with a triple again, triple step, then we do the rock recover. Left, right, 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 left. So meet me back at this wall, okay? And remember, at this wall, I did a left, right, left, right, left. Okay? From the top, 5, 6, 7, rock back. Rock, recover, triple step. Rock, recover, triple step. Rock, recover, turn to your right, full turn, left, right, left. Left, right, left. Rock, recover, triple step. Left, right quarter, left, right. Left, right quarter, left, right. Left, right quarter, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left, and back. So with left, right, left, step back. Okay, so now let's add on. Okay, now this gets a little tricky. And it's tricky in the beginning, but once you understand it, it doesn't get tricky. You'll understand it. So you went left, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. And that's the part I'm teaching you. And you hear at your wall and you start back over with a rock recover. Okay, so let me explain how you get there. So the last step I taught you was up, left, triple step back, right, and right, left, right, left, turn, right, left, right, left, turn, right, left. Okay, now, so we went left, right, step back. Okay, so left, right, left, step back on your right, okay? Then the right shoulder is going to come forward. So we go back on your right shoulder come forward, half turn, right, left. And we step back, right shoulder come forward, half turn, right, left. We step back again, step back, right shoulder go forward, quarter turn, right, left. Okay? So what I did was, I rock up on the left, right, so I went left, right, step back, and right, left, step back, and right, left, step back, and quarter turn. So it's half, then quarter. So right, left. So that was my right shoulder coming forward. Right, left. That was half. Right, left, and quarter turn. Okay? So that right shoulder come forward a half. The right shoulder come forward again, half, back at this wall. Then the shoulder come forward, quarter turn. Now, that's the turn. The footwork is, watch this, rock up on the left, right, 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 left. That's the footwork. Okay? Now, that's the dance. So let's put it all together. Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous. You're going to do it. You're going to be rocking it. So you're going to be doing soul stepping the classic in a minute. Okay? Don't get nervous. Now, let's do a review. we start step back, rock, recover. And you know what? I like that because when we do a cha-cha, we always move it forward. We never do a rock, recover. So, not only that, what I like about just doing something different is we have that muscle memory where we always going forward, okay? But the muscle memory going back, we have to think about that. Think about it. You got to think about it, okay? So it's a mental workout and the muscle, the footwork. Footwork want to go forward, like cha-cha forward. But you got to say, no, I want you to go back. So that's great. That is great. So we step back with a rock, recover. Rock, recover, cha-cha, up, rock, recover, cha-cha. Step back, rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Let me tell you something about that. Rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Don't turn too soon, okay? You're not turning on the cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha, step, pivot, cha-cha-cha. That's when you make the turn. So don't make it too early, okay? Okay? So we do it. Step, pivot, cha-cha-cha. That's a full turn. Rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. And left, right, quarter. Turn, left, right, quarter. Turn, left, right, quarter. Turn, left, right, quarter, turn. Rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Right, left, half, turn. Right, left, half, turn. Right, left, quarter, turn. There's ends on your left. You start back. Rock, recover from the top, okay? Now let's put it together. Rocking back, right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's right, left, right, left, right. Rock, left, right, left, left, back. Right, left, right. Pivot turn, left, right. Right, left, right. Rock, recover, quarter turn back. 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 Rock, recover, triple step. Rock, recover, half turn. Rock, recover, half turn. Rock, recover, quarter turn. Bam! Bam! Did you get it? I'm going to do it again. Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous. I'm going to do it again. Let's do it again. Hey. All right. Here we go. Rock, recover. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Pivot, turn, full turn. Rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Rock, recover, quarter turn. Rock, recover, quarter turn. Rock, recover, quarter turn. Rock, recover, quarter turn. Rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Rock, recover, half turn. Rock, recover, half turn. Rock, recover, quarter turn. Hey, I know you got it. Those rock recovers can be a triple step or just a rock recover with no triple step. Did you get that? So once doing that this long, don't get nervous. Go get you something to drink. Go take a sip. You're going to be all right. Breathe. Exhale. So, this wall right here. Let's go. What you say? Rock, recover, right? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Rock, recover, cha-cha-cha. Step, pivot, full, triple step. Rock, recover, triple step. Rock, recover, quarter turn. Rock, recover, quarter turn. Rock, recover, quarter turn. Rock, recover, quarter turn. Rock, recover, triple step. Rock, recover, half turn. Rock, recover, half turn. Rock, recover, quarter turn. I told you the line dance move counterclockwise. clockwise. Here we go at this wall again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Rock, recover. 5, 6, 7. You know what? I'm gonna count this time because you should know the steps. Let me count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back 1, 2, triple 3, and 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock 1, 2, triple 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the left. So guess what? Let me tell you something, instructors. Like some of the line dances you do is not a perfect count to the phrase of the music. But what's important is when you look at a line dance and you're counting the steps, I realize that on the left is a 4. So with me doing the doing the line dance and also counting the steps, I was on point because the dance ends on the left on the number 4. So that's also the importance of counting, knowing how to count. Is because you realize if you're on your left foot or your right foot, okay? Sometimes it doesn't end in a perfect phrase, in the phrasing of the music, but it lets you know if you're on the right foot. Also, if my 4 was on the right, that lets me know that I'm missing a step, okay? So that's why you count. You learn how to count, okay? So it only takes practice. It only takes practice. So that's it, guys. That is a classic, okay? When you go to, I think it's June, I can't think of the name, but when you put in the line dance, you'll see one of the oldest videos of this line dance. They created this line dance. I started watching them years ago. Loved, and they also, I think, couple dance or whatever. So I love their dancing. Also, when I used to watch it a while back, they never had an instructional. I always had to just watch them dance and put the steps together. So I've been watching them for years. I think it's June and AUDREY DONALDSON. Don't quote me on that. But anyway, I'm going to pin the demo here. But also put the name of the line dance and you'll see them do it, okay? So, that's it, guys. And, hold up. Let me tell you something. I appreciate y'all guys leaving comments. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And when you leave a comment, I'm going to try to respond to every comment. So, thank you guys. Give me feedback. Let me know what you think. Share this video with someone, okay? My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.